Okay, now depending on this class called new class, we can create any number of objects. Let's create an object based on the new class to display the value of num on the screen. In this case, we have created an object called p1 based on the new class, and we equated it, as you can see, with the new class. And after that, we use this object to display the value of num from the new class using the print function by typing print and placing p1.num in between the parentheses of the print function. So we got 10 in the output. Let's now move on to deeper issues. This previous program for class and object is a very simple form and aren't really useful in real-life applications. To understand the meaning of classes, we have to understand the built-in init function or method from the Python standard library. All classes have a function called init, which is always executed when the class is being initiated. You can use the init function to assign values to object properties or other operations that are necessary to do when the object is being created. We will take a simple example for that. Let's use the init function with a class called person. As shown, we have created a class called person using the class keyword simply, and inside it we have created the init function using the def keyword, and it has two parameters or arguments in addition to the self parameter. The self parameter is a reference to the current instance of the class and is used to access variables that belong to this class called person. So, in order to access name and age variables from the init function from the person class, we have used the self parameter with them. And after that, we created a variable called ob1 based on the person class. And we give two values for the two parameters, name and age. Donny is a value for the name parameter and 40 for the age parameter. After that, you will find using the object called ob1 to display the value of the two parameters. So the program returned Donny and 40 in the output. It is very simple, as you can see.